Hello friends, this is Ankush Bhat with Catia tutorial number 33. In this tutorial, we will learn about the variable radius fillet tool. On the left hand side, we have Catia V5 window, and on the right hand side, we have step-by-step instructions of the tutorial which you can write down. This is our part workbench and these are the part tools on the right interface, and at the top interface here, this is the variable radius fillet tool, and by clicking at the bottom arrow here, we will get different type of fillet tools here. This is the edge fillet tool which we learned in our previous video, and we'll also see the difference between the variable radius fillet and the edge fillet tool here. We can reach to these variable radius fillet tool by going to insert, then dress up feature here, and then here we have variable fillet here. So just select it. So here right now we can see the difference between this is the operation created by the edge fillet. As we can see, the fillet radius is uniform over the whole edge, we can see here. But if we want to create the edge with different fillet radius, we will go with variable radius fillet tool. So we can see the difference between these two tools. This is the operation done by the edge fillet, and this is the operation performed by the variable radius fillet tool. So to provide the edge with variable radiuses at different points, we will use variable radius fillet. So let's see how to use the tool. So just pick up the tool from here, as I have picked it already. Now edge to fillet, select the edge which you will fillet, or you can select more than one edge by just clicking here, and as I'm clicking here, or we can remove the selected edges by clicking it here on this button. So a new dialog box will appear with the selected edges. Now select the edge and then just replace it or remove it. As I want to remove it, so I'll just press remove, select the edge, then remove it. So we are left with a single edge to operate here. Let's work on this edge. Let's select it and let's remove this edge. Let's select it and remove it. The removal edge will appear in a yellow color. So as I have removed it, now close the dialog box. Now let's provide the points where we will provide the variable radius of fillet. Click on the points box here. Now by clicking on the edge, we will provide the points where we can edit the fillet radius. As I have provided 1, 2, 3, 4 extra points with total of 6 points here. Now by double clicking on these points here, we can edit the radius. Like I am changing it to 35. Okay, just double click on the radius here, changing it to 13. Just double click here, changing it to 37. Just double click here, changing it to 7. So like this you can just change the fillet radius at individual points, and then you can provide conic parameters also, as 0.5 represents parabolic fillet here. Just preview it. We can see that we have created a fillet with variable fillet radius along the whole edge. Trim ribbon help us to just remove the overlapped fillet elements. Right now we don't have it here. Just okay. So we can see that we have created a variable fillet radius along the edge here. So this is how the variable radius fillet tool works, and this is how it's different from this edge fillet tool. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.